In this video, we are going to see that if you can't see the file extensions next to every single document like .txt, .xls or any other file extensions, as you can see here, it's not showing. Here's how you can quickly fix that. First of all, just press Windows plus R key on your keyboard and just write control folders here. Hit enter. And from here, if we hit the view tab and we scroll down, we'll see this option of hide extensions for known file types. We will just uncheck this. And once you click apply, you will notice that all of the files are now shown with the file extension names for all of your files. So whether it's .docs file, .png, .exe, it will show them all. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.